Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to your Shopify store. So let's begin. The first thing is when you are on your Shopify homepage, you want to go to the top left corner and click products. Once you click products, you will see this page right here. Now, if you have a brand new store like I do, you won't have any products and it will ask you to, what are you selling? Well, you want to click this button, add your products. So once you click this button, you will see this page and this is your product kind of builder. So here you can add your title, your description, your media, the price for the products, your inventory, shipping, and the options for the product. So many different options here. Now let's begin by adding a title to the product. So let's say you are selling a dog collar. And then for the description, you just want to write your description. This is the best dog collar. Obviously, you want to change this to make it much more appealing. And then for the media, you can click either add from URL with this button, or if you just press, you can drag and drop files here, or you can click here and choose images and videos from your computer. Now, here is where we get to the pricing. You want to set the price here. So let's say, for example, I'm selling it for 10 euros. And you can also add a compare at price, which is kind of like a discounted price if that is your pricing strategy. For charge tax on this product, you can have this on or off depending on how you do with the taxes. And then for your internal one, you can add how much this product actually costs you. So later on in your analytics, you can see your analytics and see how much you're selling and how much profit you're actually making. For the inventory, this depends on how you're getting your inventory. So you can either track it or not track it. You can also continue selling when out of stock. So I usually turn this on because I do drop shipping. And then for the shipping, you can add weight to your product if you do anything specific with the weight. However, if this is, you're not controlling this, if you're not doing the weight thing, you can just leave this blank. Just make sure that it's a physical product, so you charge shipping on this. And that's pretty much it. The last thing here are the options. So let's say, for example, that you are offering this dog collar in different colors. So we can say color, and then we can say there's a black one, there's a red one, there's a yellow one, and there is a blue one. So once you add these options here, you can adjust the prices for each one if the price per each variant is different. And you can also add the quantity, how much you have in stock. Once you've done this, you simply click save. And you will now have the product created on your Shopify store. If you want to attach images to each variant, you can simply click here and you can choose the images that you've added to your media. So this is how you add a product to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.